Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my videos. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. So if you are, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below, ask questions, anything like that. So as always, let's jump right into it. So with this, what we're looking at today is a daily daily chart with a market profile. This is going out 1 year. Okay, so what this is showing us is 1 year's worth of price action on the daily chart, every Canton bars daily. And this is what the market profile looks like with this whole daily chart. As always, I will leave the link below to this custom chart. So if you're a Thinkorswim user, you could download to your own charts. As far as the study, it's just a pure volume profile chart. Again, here are the studies of it or the settings, and then what I show and I don't show. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go over. So over here, this is all the volume profile for all of these days. High volume nodes, low volume nodes, your value area high, low, and the point of control. As I'm doing this video, we're in the midst of 2020 where the market kind of had that massive pullback, 37%. Now we're starting to bounce back up. Well, we could see as we start to bounce up, where are we bouncing directly back to? And it's kind of interesting how this level right here was the low prior support. Maybe this becomes new resistance, and we can also see it just based off of all this market profile action right here, that as at this point we're starting to fill in high volume nodes. So I don't think there is, I read this chart, I would not expect much more higher because all this volume profile is going to cause resistance up here, and we may roll back over and then start to fill in the low volume nodes, maybe come back down and start to fill this area out on the bigger picture to be able to create high volume nodes, right? To be able to get maybe a double distribution, even a triple distribution on the bigger picture. Now, overall, what we do see too is we have excess down below. And if you're watching this right now in 2020 of April, a lot of people are calling the lows, the market lows are in. They might be right. Me personally, I actually think there's another leg lower. It may take time because of the economy and other things going on. But if you look, we actually have excess down here, but we do not have excess up above here. So is this auction theory on the bigger picture done yet? According to the charts, no, because there is no auction up here yet, but there is auction down here. We will see how this plays out. Sometimes this does take a while. And remember, every day that goes by, there's another day that is no longer shown, right? So we have new profile, old profile. So how much does that play into it? Well, if you go to 2-year chart, this will still be there. It'll still look very similar. But again, you could see that they were trying to build out the profile down here, rally. If we do pull back, we may see choppiness around all of this level. So this is how to read these charts, right? So this isn't just for what's happening now, but what potentially, how can we interpret what the chart is saying? If we do keep going higher, I would definitely be watching this high volume node, 3075 as a major resistance. Also the point of control, double distribution. So very interesting times, very interesting chart when you look at this on the bigger picture. But again, I will leave all this down below. Just another really good way to read and interpret market profile charts. There are so many different charts, so many different ways, and what I'm trying to do is to show you all of them in all these videos that I'm releasing, so you can really start to understand how market profile works, how each chart will tell its own story. There's not a one be all chart when you start to read market profile. So as always, hope you like, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, want to see other videos, just throw them down, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you.